Good morning, class. Today we'll take the another topic of the chapter climate, and here we'll start from the onset of the monsoon and withdrawal. So, onset of the monsoon or withdrawal means how it comes and what the period particularly it uh, gets off. So here we know that the monsoon period is of 100 to 120 days, means approximately we can say 3.5 months. So pulsating in nature means it is not steadying, but slowly it comes and affected the different atmospheric condition encountered by it. Means like whatever the situation, we know that from the east and south west monsoon it generally take place in India, and it's come in the month of June to the mid of September it remains. Here we can see in the map of like in Arabian Sea, the Arabian Sea Bay of branches enter, and simultaneously from Bay of Bengal. So how both of the side it affects. Now another map we can see here. You can see here that how monsoon enter in India. In 1st June it enters in Kerala, then till 5th June in Karnataka, then 10th June in Bombay, Maharashtra, then Gujarat, then till 15 July it reaches the whole Gujarat, and after that from Bay of Bengal it means it enters in all part of the country. So like here this is the withdrawal and the rainfall we can see. So there is a term which is burst. Burst, monsoon burst means around the time of its arrival and the normal rainfall increasing suddenly and continuous constantly for several years. Burst means we can say that when heavy rainfall of monsoon, especially in the month of August, it happens. Then it proceeds into the two, that is Arabian Sea and Bay of Branch. Bay of Branch, I told you that from both the side here and from here, that is Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, it strikes to Western Ghat and Vindhyas and then Himalayas, the all region. We can understand this. So both the side it enters is proceeds the two way, that is Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea branches. So path of monsoon, when we discuss that Arabian Sea branches, it arrives first week of June. I shown you in the map of India recently, like here again I tell you here. Then mid Mumbai, that is 15 June, 20th June and mid June Saurashtra Kutch, that is the Gujarat area, and then central part. And when we talk about the Bay of Branch, the first week June it is in Assam. Then Delhi, and tentatively 29 of June it reaches to Delhi, and both the branches merge over. Both the branches of merge we can understand by this map how it is, like it enters here, then we see. So when both the branches meet here, so means till the time period of 29 of June it meets, it's merged over the western part of Ganga plain, and the first week of July western UP, Punjab, Haryana and eastern Rajasthan. So where this monsoon east or west meet or merge mid-July, Himachal Pradesh and the rest of the country, means the whole country come in the contact of this monsoon rain. We are here discussing the onset of monsoon. So we take the complete influence of monsoon on India. So withdrawal of the retreat of monsoon. Retreat means when it come back. So early September, June, sorry, northwestern states, mid October completely from northern half of the peninsula. Means when we see withdrawal of the monsoon, when it take place, means in the month of mid October, means here is this particular period of time monsoon goes away from this part, means peninsula. Now don't take any influence of rainfall. In early December, rest of the country, means early December, rest of the countries come in the contact of, so means this is called to retreat monsoon. In the westerly disturbance we have discussed this. So here will come to the seasons. We know that first season we are going to discuss, this is cold weather season. When we know that there are two seasons, winter and summer, but the many can be discussed like in different subject, like in Sanskrit we discuss the six types of season, but here basically we'll take four one. Like first is the cold weather season, then hot weather season, then advanced monsoon, then retreating monsoon. These all. So firstly, take the glimpse of cold weather season. Everyone knows that what is the cold weather season, because in Himalayas it is snow, and when we talk about the western part of India, it is rainfall. The whole country, where which is the plain region, plateauic region, they experience is only the rainfall. But when we go higher, it is the hailstorm, and the shape of precipitation is snow somewhere, the high ranges of Himalaya. So begins from the mid of November in the northern India and stays till February. So temperature in northern plain it is 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, and coastal plain in Chennai that is the same. In same season we can say that is 24 to 25 degrees Celsius is there. We can see falling snow and freezing cold temperature where in the northern part of India. During the season, strong wind also blow all around, and winter season generally lasts for 3 months. So accordingly, when we see that basically three months are there for every season. 3 months for winter, 3 months for summer, and 3 months for we can say monsoon. Then again the autumn means most of the period, like when we count from till the month of November and till month of November, and it is of April. Generally, the season is very much pleasant. The season has short days and longer night. The specialty of winter are that the days are shorter and nights are longer. People wear thick clothes, everyone knows, during the winter time. And in the detail, if I go that particular season, it gives the different kind of experience, like in northern part of the country, sometime high feeble pressure, which is very much necessary when we are discussing the climate. You experience what happened in climate. So climatic condition, when we observe in northern India, the high pressure of region develops and high winds moving outward of the sea, means in Himalayas it is high pressure region, and it is an Arabian sea that is a low pressure area during the time of winter. So that reflect that influence the these wind blow through Ganga Valley west to northwest, and whether the normally marked by clear sky. We see that in winters most of the time the sky is clear. Then the temperature and the low humidity and feeble variable winds sometimes we see even in the winter season. So characteristics when we talk about of winter weather season is that in northern plains of India what happens, cyclonic disturbance take place. This cyclonic disturbance take, I told you, when from the Mediterranean Ocean the winds they take the moisture, they enter into the Indian landmass, and where they become the cause of heavy rainfall, and these rainfall sometimes called Mahavat, and they are immense important for the cultivation of rabi crops. Rabi crops, you understand, in economics you have read, that is the crop of wheat. So in the peninsula when we experience in this season, the region does not have well defined cold season. We know that there is only moderate kind of climate in this particular time. So winter we have discussed, and the next video will see the hot weather season. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.